Now, we are talking about comparison of numbers. Let us suppose there are two numbers, A and B. Now, there are three methods of comparison. Number 1, number 2 and number 3. So in number 1, the above expression shows less than sign when one thing is less than another. A is less than another. If you can see, the mouth is open towards B, that means it is the bigger number and this is the smaller number. Now let's take an example. 5, 6, 3, 4. So another number 5, 6, 8, 3. Now if you can see 5, 5, 6, 6, 3, 8. Which is a big number, children? Guess, 3 or 8? Correct, 8. So this is the bigger number, so mouth is open towards the bigger number. Now let's take another example. 194361 20. Now if you can see, first number is 1. Over here it's 2. So which is greater? Correct. This one is greater. Now we'll talk about this one, that is the equal to sign. The above expression shows equals to sign. That means if one number is equal to the another number. Now if you can see 2304, over here also 2304, same number. That means they both are equal. Now example number 2, 14634. Over here also 14634. So they both are equal. Now we'll talk about the third one. A. Mouth is open towards A. Guess, children, what it should be? This is greater than B. So if you can see, the above expression shows greater than sign. A is greater than B. Let's take one example. 1840. Over here we have 936. So which one is greater? Guess. Correct. This one is greater. So mouth is open over here. Now in this 28146. 27. Now you can see 2827. So which is greater? Correct. This one is greater. Now, we'll understand this in a greater scale. Step by step to compare the numbers and put the sign. Let's take this example. 90463. 90489. I have written down all the numbers. 9 is equal to 9. 004468. Which sign I have put it over here? Yes, less than sign. That means this number is less than this number. Correct. Now let's move on to the example number 2. 5601. 5601. Now we'll compare both the numbers. 55660011. So both numbers are equal. Now we'll talk about the third example. 3963. 3921. So now we are comparing 339962. So which one is greater? Yes, children. Yes, this one is greater. Let's arrange the number with the help of sign. For example, if I give you this sign, so in which order you'll write the above numbers? Ascending order. And when I put the another sign, this one, so descending order. Example number 2. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I have written in descending order. So if you can see, the arrows changed. Ascending order, the arrows change. So in descending order, this one is the biggest, correct. and the last one is the smallest. In ascending order, first one will be the smallest and the last digit will be the correct greatest. Now, there are some questions. If I tell you to write the largest 5-digit number, what you will do? 5 digit. Largest number. So what is the largest number, children? Correct, 9. But how many times you will write it? Correct, 5 times. If you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, smallest 4-digit number. So in this what you will do, the first digit will be always 1 and the rest digits will be 0. So if you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 4-digit number, but the smallest. Why? First digit will be 1 and these all will be 0. Let's take another example. Write largest and smallest 7-digit number. So what will be the 7-digit? Check. Largest. Correct. How many times we will write? 9, 7 times. Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Correct. Now smallest 7-digit number. The first digit will be correct, 1. And the rest will be 0. Correct. If you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7-digit number. Now another question. What is the new number formed when the number 7, 8, 3, 4, 1 is reversed? Children, what do you understand by reversing? Suppose my hand is here. Thumb is this side. Correct? Then when I'll tell you to reverse, then what you will do? Understood? For example, I have a pen over here. Okay? This whitener. And I tell you to reverse. Then what will happen? Correct. The green side come this side. Similarly for the numbers. 7, 8, 3, 4, 1. So the first number will become the last and the last number will become the first. That means we'll flip. So the first number, the number given is 7, 8, 3, 4, 1. So number obtained when reversed. Reverse means just correct, opposite. So what we will do? 1, the last one, correct. 4, 3, 8, 7. For you I have done it over here also. 7 became the last and 1 became the first. And similarly for the other numbers.